Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for Southern Ontario at 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Friday, June 8, 2012. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for Deep River, Whitney, Eastern Algonquin Park. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for Deep River, Whitney, Eastern Algonquin Park.
Environnement Canada a mis à jour un bulletin des conditions météorologiques menaçantes pour le sud de l'Ontario à 16h20, heure avancée de l'Est, le vendredi 8 juin 2012. Une alerte d'orage violent est maintenue pour Deep River, Whitney, Park, Algonquin et une veille d'orage violent est émise pour Deep River, Whitney, Park, Algonquin et
The Environment Canada forecast issued at 4 p.m. Friday, June 8th for tonight, Saturday, and Saturday night. North Bay, Powassan, Mattawa, West Nipissing, French River, tonight, a few showers, ending early this evening, then partly cloudy. Risk of a thunderstorm early this evening. Wind northwest, 20 kilometers per hour, becoming light this evening. Low 13. For Saturday, cloudy. 60% chance of showers late in the morning and in the afternoon. High 22, UV index